Hi guys, hope everybody well. So in this video we are going to discuss about JavaScript array includes method. So if we see the developer Mozilla, there is the includes method of array instance determine the whether an array includes a certain value among its entries, returning true or false as appropriate. Okay, understanding as a simply. So if we understand this kind of the array includes method, this is very easy because it's just checking as a condition of, you can call this, if you compare as a the main programming condition based, like if else, that's it, nothing else. It's just written as a value true or false, that's it. Okay, if now we are going to understand with coding. So I already defined a variable array, so that's it. Now we want to show or know that is there any value which we are checking this value exists on the array. If it exists, then it will be return the true. It didn't exist on the array or in the array, it will not show, it will be false and showing the boolean value as a false. That's it, nothing any fancy or complex things. It's very easy. That's what you need to do. You can just type as a new variable if you want. Okay, I'm just as a adding a new variable because of I just want it, and it's so much easy to understand this. So that's why I'm just typing a new variable which is called array includes, that's it. And just type your array names and just add the includes method, that's it. And you just put to here a new argument or parameter, that is the in there which you are searching. Now I'm just searching as the here Tom. If it exists, and that will be show the as a boolean value true or false. So that's why I'm just console now. Okay, and just typing the name of the array, and that's it. Okay, that's we already now written the variable names and array names, and there is showing the main array. Now just type the our new variable which we already defined, and now it is I'm just typed as a array includes. If we see the console log, and they're showing the true because of Tom is exist in the array. If we like other thing typing the Tom Hardy, is that will be true? Not, because there is not exist in the array, that's it, false. It's just checking condition based method, that's it, nothing else, and that is the thing. Okay, if you understand this is very easy tutorial. Okay, next time we will be bringing up the new JavaScript array methods. Thank you for watching the video.